Eratosthenes lived in the 3rd century BCE and was a head of the well-known Library of Alexandria. Head of an uncommonly boundless psyche, he said something regarding a portion of the extraordinary inquiries of his day, including, "How large is the earth?" The roundness of our planet was surely known when of Aristotle, 100 years before Eratosthenes lived. In any case, its size stayed an open inquiry. Eratosthenes was not the principal individual to endeavor to compute the world's outline, however he was the primary whose strategies have come down to us, and his response set another norm for exactness. Eratosthenes knew from past looking over records, finished with an old gauge called a gnomon, that simultaneously of year and a similar season of day, the sun would create shaded areas of various lengths at areas in various scopes. By looking at shadows cast at 2 scopes, one was the town of Syene, the other may have been Alexandria or Meroe. Upon the arrival of the vernal equinox, Eratosthenes could process the levels of shape between the areas. The point emerged to around 1/50th of a circle, so by increasing the distance between the 2 towns by 50, Eratosthenes could get the world's periphery. Eratosthenes' outcome was 250,000 stadia. Tragically, it's difficult to know exactly the way in which that compares to current miles and kilometers, on the grounds that the exact size of the Old Greek stadion isn't known. Contingent upon the worth picked for the stadion, the boundary is somewhere close to 40,000 kilometers, uncannily precise, and 48,000 kilometers, very far away, yet at the same time decent. Eratosthenes, it ought to be noted, was not some singular virtuoso dabbling about with sticks and shadows. He was overseer of the best foundation of learning in the Greek world, and he approached the most state-of-the-art research from his partners and ancestors. Then, at that point, as now, it's astonishing what somebody can sort out with great information and sound estimations.